Hi alle sammen, hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use clauses with question words in Norwegian. In the Norwegian language, clauses can be both independent and dependent, with the latter often including question words. Understanding how to structure these clauses properly can help you more effectively communicate complex ideas in Norwegian. Common question words in Norwegian. Before we delve into the specifics of using clauses with question words, it's important to understand what these question words are. In Norwegian, some of the most common question words include hva, hva, what, hvem, who, når, when, hvor, where, hvorfor, why, hvordan, how. These question words are used in direct questions as well as indirect or dependent clauses. Direct questions. When forming direct questions in Norwegian, the question word typically comes first, followed by the verb and the subject. Here are some examples. Hva spiser du? Hva spiser du? What are you eating? Hvem er han? Hvem er han? Hvem er han? Who is he? Når kommer toget? Når kommer toget? Når kommer toget? When does the train come? Indirect questions. Indirect questions are dependent clauses and they are often embedded in a sentence. They do not ask questions directly, but they still contain question words. In Norwegian, the sentence structure changes when forming indirect questions. After the question word, the subject comes before the verb. Here are some examples. Jeg lurer på hva du spiser. Jeg lurer på hva du spiser. Jeg lurer på hva du spiser. I wonder what you are eating. Vet du hvem han er? Vet du hvem han er? Vet du hvem han er? Do you know who he is? Hun spurte når toget kommer. Hun spurte når toget kommer. Hun spurte når toget kommer. She asked when the train comes. Additional points to remember. When using clauses with question words, there are a few more things you should remember. Subjunctive mood. Norwegian typically doesn't use the subjunctive mood. Instead, the present tense is used in both direct and indirect questions. Word order. Remember the word order changes when forming indirect questions. After the question words, the subject comes before the verb. Pronounce. Norwegian pronouns change depending on the grammatical case. Ensure you're using the correct pronoun in your question clause. Mastering the usage of clauses with question words in Norwegian require time and practice, but the increased fluency and comprehension that come with this understanding make the effort worthwhile. When in doubt, don't be afraid to ask questions and make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.